I wanted to make this video about Zeiss lens cleaner, and it's I hope that's how you pronounce it, Zeiss, Z-E-I-S-S. And as you guys can see, I do use it all the time. I got my glasses on right now. We're about to use some, and I do also have the wipes. So if you're traveling, or if you want to just have some in your backpack, or ladies, if you want to put some in your purse, that way you're good to go when you're on the road or when you're out and about, you know, grocery shopping, any of that good stuff. So I definitely recommend this. As you guys can see, it cleans very nicely. As long as you have a microfiber cloth, you should be good to go. And I did want to show you guys how it works. So all you have to do is spray like so, and then you let all the mist get away from you. And then you take your microfiber cloth, and then you go ahead and just clean up like so. And then you do want to use microfiber cloth, because if you use tissue paper or any of that good stuff, you're going to have all those little specks just floating around. You're not going to be able to see that well, or you're just going to push whatever's there, like your grease from your fingers, you're just going to push it around, and it's not going to be good. So look at that. Now it is good to go. I can see you guys now. All right, so I did also want to show you guys the wipes. So like I said, these are perfect. Okay, so it comes in 2 packs like this. Perfect for traveling, you know, anything when you're away from the house. And I've had these for a while, and they're still nice and moist. Let me fan one out for you guys. You can check it out like so. And then, so here you don't need no microfiber. You just clean it like so. Okay. All right, give it a couple wipes like so, and just like that, you are good to go. It does have a little bit of that alcohol smell, so, you know, just be advised about that. And like I said, guys, I recommend this. Look I use it all the time. There's 2 packs, there's 3 packs. Just be on the lookout for them, and hope you enjoyed this video.